Hello there, Richard here from the Tradervue team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your trades. And so first thing first, make sure that you are in the trade section. You can do that by clicking here in trades in the navigation bar. As you can see, we are already in the trade section. And so there are multiple ways you can delete your trades. One way, for example, let's say I want to delete the CELH trade. We can do that by clicking here in detail, scrolling down, clicking here in advanced, clicking delete trade here, and then clicking in OK to permanently delete this trade. So as you can see, the trade has been removed. It's not there anymore. So that's one way. But there's also another more easy way to do this. And you can do that by clicking here in the checkbox located in the top left corner. So you can see if you click there, you can bulk edit or bulk delete your trades here. For example, let's say I want to delete all of these trades. I can delete the first page by clicking there. Or if I want to delete multiple trades, I can also select the trades I want to delete using the checkbox. But if I want to delete all of my trades, I can click here in the top checkbox, click there in expand selection to all 144 trades matching the filter instead of the 30 trades. And then I can select delete trades. There are multiple things you can do by selecting here with the bulk editor. But in this case, we'll click on delete trades, click submit, and then click OK. And so as you can see, no trades left since we deleted all the trades we have in our system. And yes, that's how you delete your trades. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@tradervue.com. We'll be more than happy to assist you.